today's video is going to be more of a vlog style video. I haven't been up here chit-chatting in this way, so I hope you guys like it as much as you've been liking the JCJ updates from hobbyist to entrepreneur. But today's my first pop-up shop. So it's the First Vendors event. If you watch my hobbyist to entrepreneur series, then you know I signed up for one vendor's opportunity, and then the following week I ended up signing up for another one. So this one is a little bit more subtle than the main one that I registered for. So I'm super excited, I'm super nervous, but I know there may be some hiccups, but it's all going to be a learning experience either way. So enjoy this day with me. I got, well, invisible people with me right now, but my hubs and my daughter is my support system today, which they always are anyway, but they are coming with me today. I'm super excited. This is a kids event, so I originally registered to just go and be there and enjoy the event with my kids. Then I realized there was vendor opportunities, so I signed up. So I'm not going to chit chat too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We are going to our first vendors event. Let's go! I'm so excited! Alright, I'll see y'all at the event. Continue watching to see vendor event 2. So today is my second vendor event, and last week went so well. I am just excited for today, and when I say I'm excited, I am super excited. I have a lot of family and friends that plan to come out and support, as well as there being 40 plus vendors at this event. It's gonna be a good day. I woke up in a good mood. I'm super excited. I threw on some like brand coloring. I think I might even run into Walmart and grab some sweaters for me and my friends, so I can throw my logo up there so we could be decked out. Joe's Crab, Dirty Little JCJ, Little JCJ. We're running into Walmart. We're running into the dollar store. We need to get some things for today's event. I want to grab candy to give away for free. I have to go into Walmart and grab a toy because I said I'll donate a free toy to the event, to the toy drive, so I'm doing that. And I'm taking y'all with me. It is, what time is it? It's 9:16. The event start at 12. I am to be there at 11. My homegirl is picking me up at 10:30 so we could drive there. And I don't know, she doesn't do social media, so you may not see her, but we will be chatting it up, and I will see you guys throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. trying to choose what toy or game to buy, because maybe because I have a daughter, I'm always so used to picking up girl stuff. So I'm trying to pick up stuff that I know she usually likes or she would want, but I'm thinking maybe I should go with a game board just because it's gender neutral. I don't know, because I'm trying to think of stuff that I know my nieces or nephews will like, but I'm an overthinker, so this is just what I do. But I'm gonna find something. I just don't know what to choose. So do I get something crafty because I'm a crafter and I like for people to craft? I don't know. We shall see. So I'm headed back to the house. I got Sorry for a board game instead of the Doll Babies that I had. I put those back. I got a game so it could be 6 and up. You know, more people could play, male or female. So I felt like that was a good decision. I grabbed that. I grabbed stuff for the household. I ended up putting back the candy canes that you saw me pick up in the beginning. And I just got like a box of minis because it has 100 in there, and it was actually less than if I would have got the other ones that I picked up. So I got 100 minis so they could last longer throughout the events. I'll just keep refilling that. And now I'm gonna just go home, put everything up front by the door to get ready because it's 10:06, so I'm right on time. I'm gonna bring everything up to the front. My husband is not gonna be attending this event with me all day like he did last week. So I had to go and get a wagon. Got that from my brother. Got a wagon from my brother so me and my homegirl could just roll the supplies into the venue. I don't know if it's upstairs, downstairs, but I do know it's more convenient for us to just roll it in instead of us carrying everything. So I'm gonna go home, get all of that stuff to the front door and wait for her arrival. I'm gonna pack up some snacks too, so I will probably see you guys on the way to the venue. I don't know, but we will see each other again because this is a vlog. So I'm just gonna peel this cup I just made because I just realized I have no more of these nurses cups. So my bathroom is a mess. A mess. So this cup will be going. I love these nurse cups. It's hot. So I gotta grab that. I am going to laminate my cash code right quick. If I can figure out. It's a mess in here. When I tell you it's a mess in here, it's a mess.
Power this event. FIRSTVendor@gmail.com.